Yo guys, come to YouTube channel now. Today we'll be doing this dance tutorial, Ghetto Love Story. Yeah, I know you guys know this song, Ghetto Love Story. In case you are new, my name is Teoluckzboom. I did dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys, obviously. Now today we're doing this dance tutorial on Ghetto Love. I think I've not seen the dance tutorial anywhere, so those of you doing this dance, you are right on this video. Yeah, so stay up to the end and comment on the thing in the comment section. Sorry I'm not giving you guys a shout out for those of you that commented on my previous video. I'm taking your notes down. Yeah, now let's dive right into the video. For those of you who want to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe down below, like this video and share it, guys. So for this video is mirrored. Your right hand, your left hand, obviously you know how it goes, guys. So first things first, the first thing in this dance today is baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Somebody say baby, baby. So I think guys, so you're doing 1, 2, again 1, 2. So yeah, that is a 2 people person down, or I call it a dual dance. Okay, let's use that language, a dual dance. So it's 1, 2. The second person will be hitting the also 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, again 1, 2. You're doing it twice. So it's baby, baby. Are you getting me, guys? Getting guys? So just 1, 2. You're hitting the leg twice. 1, 2. So it's baby, baby. Are you seeing this? So when we start 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Yeah, I just gotta turn on, baby. I just let it go. Baby, baby. Let's go. Next step of that one is I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance. I think that's this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go, stop sliding, get it. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance. I think I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. So from the start, 5, 6, 7, let's go. She's got to turn on, baby, I just let it go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. I think I switch. If I do 1, 2, 1, 2, next step is 1, 2. 1, 2. Other one, the next step is 1, 2, twist, turn. 1, 2, twist, turn. I get me. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's baby, baby, I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance. So that's I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance. I get me. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. So in case I'm not can you subscribe down below? Like this video, obviously. Yeah, subscribe down below for me, guys. Like the video and share it, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, baby. So after I've done this, 1, 2, you do 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. Because it's a 2-person dance. Most of you two should probably be facing each other. Then you first do for the first person. First person should dance singing. Not like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Second person will dance straight to you. Dancing. 1, 2, 1, 2. I get in. So let's go start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Get out of time, baby. I don't let it go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. 7, let's go. So you gotta turn, baby, I don't let it go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance. So you gotta go, let it go. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Baby, kick, kick, move. Basically, guys, that's the dance for this training song. It's not going to be a long video, it's a short one basically. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe down below for me. comment and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you want to dance tutorial, let me dance tutorial. And don't forget to watch the videos over here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.